It's a 2004 Chevrolet Avalanche. Chevrolet, 100 years of icons. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: AM/FM stereo, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, power folding driver and passenger side exterior mirror, leather steering wheel, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Crown Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep, Ram, Fiat. Come see us today. We're located at 2707 Shortcut Road in beautiful Pascagoula, Mississippi.